Assalamu alaikum friend, it's me your host Mamil Khan and you are watching my YouTube channel Online Tips. First of all, I welcome you all on my YouTube channel Online Tips, and today I am here with the new amazing update of the Sunny Leone coin. Yes, Sunny Leone coin, because I already make a full review video about the Sunny Leone coin. Here you can see that this is the video that I made already about 1 week ago. So in this video I already show you how we can buy their tokens and what the surprise that they offered for their holders. So in previous video I show you that if you buy their tokens with your 1 BNB, then you will get 100% tokens extra. So now in this video I'm again with this new amazing brand new token site which name is Sunny Leone coin. So this is world's first Bollywood celebrity name coin, and now their price is that their pre-sale round 2 is live now. So in their pre-sale round 2 they also offered the big reward program that here you can see that the Sunny Leone coin public pre-sale round 2 special reward is if anyone buy 1 BNB and more, then will get 25% extra tokens. So guys, this is very lucky chance for you that after ending their pre-sale round 1 they start their pre-sale round 2 where you can get 25% extra tokens if you buy their tokens with your 1 BNB. So you can also see their note that you can also read their note that to get the reward you need to fill the Google form which you will find in Telegram group at the time of pre-sale ending. So we also share this performa. You need to fill this performa. So after this we discuss about the other update. So this is update is also a surprise for their holders. So before uh, before showing this their other uh, surprise, I request you all to see my complete video and press the bell icon and subscribe my YouTube channel. So let's go. Now we discuss about their other program. So here you can see that on Hotbit that the Hotbit will launch Sunny Leone token on October 21st of 2021. So here you can also see that if you want to buy their tokens, surprise is public pre-sale of Sunny Leone is live now, and they are launching directly on Hotbit exchange. Don't try to buy sell on PancakeSwap exchange. They will not going on PancakeSwap. Hotbit is the best trading platform for all respected community. So here you can see that you can buy their tokens from Hotbit. Their article is here. You can also read their all articles and all detail on the Hotbit. That Hotbit is scheduled the list of Sunny Leone on global section deposit function launch at 21st of October 2021, and trading function launch at 21st of October at 7 a.m. and trading pair is SL Slion USDT. So you can also follow them on Hotbit. Here you need to just click on the follow, and here you can also find the other information regarding their project. So this is very big news regarding the Sunny Leone coin. So here you can see that you need to register yourself. If you want to follow it on the Hotbit, you need to register yourself first, so to on the Hotbit to follow them. So after discussing that they are launching on 21st of October 2021 on Hotbit. So their project name is Sunny Leone. Their abbreviation is SLeon, and the project introduction. Sunny Leone coin is one of the fastest growing cryptocurrency of kind. SLeon is fully decentralized and on the mission to bring popular cryptocurrency concept to mainstream in one easy to understand project. And SLeon's mission is to bring popular cryptocurrency concept to the mainstream. Unlike older comparable projects, SLeon introduces holders to next generation concepts such as the frictionless yield NFTs, decentralized and exchange, and more. So their token type is BP20, and total supply is mentioned here. Their circulating supply is also mentioned here. Their website, their Explorer, BSC scan is here if you want to check that they are verified from BSC or not. So here you can see that this is already verified from the BSC scan. Their address is also mentioned here, their decimal. If you want to get their token on your wallet, so you need to copy their address and go to your wallet to add them. So after discussing it, we discuss about their exchanges here. So you can also see their economics, there how you can buy. So they share their video how you can buy their tokens on the Trust Wallet and how you can add their token on Trust Wallet. So after this, we discuss about their white paper here. So if you want to get more information regarding their project, you need to download their white paper. So if you download their white paper, you get their full review on their white paper, and you can get their full information regarding their project on the white paper. So you can also see their roadmap here. Their phase 1 is for about birth. Their phase 2 is about crawl, phase 3 is about walk, and phase 4 is about run, and phase 5 is about jump, and phase 6 is about move. So we already discussed in detail in our previous video. So now we discuss about the exchanges. So if you click on the exchanges, that you can find out the Hotbit that Sunny Leone is going to listed on the Hotbit on 21st of October, and start deposit 21st of October, and start trading in 21st of October at 7 a.m. and makers receive 0.30% of their bonus. So you can also here you can see their BSC scan and the Hotbit link. So after this, we discuss how we can buy their tokens from their pre-sale round 2. Just you need to add your MetaMask and click on the connect. So when you click on the connect, you will find out this MetaMask option here. So here we need to give our information and password. If you want to add their token on Trust Wallet, on MetaMask, you need to copy their address from here. So after copying their address, copy link, open link, copy their address from this page and go to the MetaMask. So when you enter in the MetaMask, you need to click on the import token. So here you need to give the address of the token that we paste on their website here. So after giving the website, you need to write the symbol of their token. So here you can also so I minimize it. Here you can also see that their decimal is 18. So you need to write the decimal again you need to. So here you can see that S Leon is added in my wallet. So after this, you need to connect your wallet with the this site. So here you can see that this is connected with this page. So here you can see that my account address is also short, and now you can also see that this is connected. MetaMask is connected with this site, and here you can see that you can purchase with 1 BNB and other things. So if you write the amount of here, so you can also see the other amount. So after this, you have contribute of BNB maximum purchase limit can expand maximum BNB more in my wallet. So after this, token sale information is here. Their hard cap is unlimited. Their rate is 1 BNB, unlimited BNB. So purchase limit is start and duration is also here. So after this, you can also copy their referral program here. So you need to share your referral link to. So from here you can make your referral link here. So you can share your referral link and get paid instantly to your wallet for every referred token purchases, and total paid referral is 0 BNB referral commission, your referral earning, and share your referral link or QR code and get commission for referral token purchase instantly to your wallet. So this is very simple way how we can buy their tokens by connecting our MetaMask with their site. So after this, we discuss about the other things regarding their tokens. So now we discuss about their social medias. So here you can see that their pinned message is here on Twitter that in 2021 that deposit opens at 21st of 10th 2021 5 am and trading opens at 21st of October 2021 at 7 am UTC. And S Leon USDT, we sincerely invite you to trade on Hotbit. So after this, you need to follow their social medias and press the bell icon to get updated from their site and you can get each and every information regarding their project on their social medias, because they give each and every update regarding their project on daily basis on their social medias. So after their Twitter, we go back to our home page, and here you can download their white paper, and you can